So the first one, a couple years ago, it didn't go. It took too long for the charge to go off. I tried modifying another one, and I wasn't recording when it went off, but that one went off way too fast and just exploded right on the ground. So hopefully this one will have the right amount of time, but this payload's a lot heavier than the last two, so I suspect it probably is gonna either not get off the ground or just somersault. So this is a chlorate-based rocket with hexamine as the fuel, and the top charge is just firework flash powder from inside a mortar.
Oh no, Will. Come on.
It's still gonna blow up, so... If I were you, I'd get way more back.
Tipped over. How can it tip over like that?
I don't know. Oh, here it goes. Oh.
Wow.